When you're investing in a restoration program, you're investing not only to taia and benefits for nature, but you're also investing in people and the connections they make.
In the last 10 years, we've seen a whole range of organisations forming around the country that bring together groups that are working on the ground, and they provide the support and the resources and the connections that enable those groups to work together to landscape scale approaches to restoration.
Wairarapa Pūkaha Te Kawakawa was formed to try and get the people working on the ground in the Wairarapa for nature, for biodiversity, to work together and to talk to each other and to share resources and to share knowledge and to learn from each other.
Ngā kaitiaki o ngā Waimāori have a voice for hapu in spaces that wouldn't usually be there. The restoration work, it's a living thing for us. It's a part of our taiao. It's been left for us as a legacy from our tupuna.
Ngā Ponorau o Rangitikei is a collective of 5 iwi. We're sharing our mātauranga alongside of our aspirations to improve the well-being, enhance and protect the awa.
The Opawa Heathcote River Network was formed as a community voice to seek change for the river and to work with others around making that change happen.
To resource us for longer periods of time, because we're only getting momentum now. So if we were resourced financially in our roles we already have, then we'll be able to show some more viable outcomes.
We need the funding to have a central person who will help the groups get established, help the groups get going, meet some of their needs so that they're not floating on their own.
We have the knowledge, we have the experience, we have the ability to communicate with all of those communities, all of those stakeholders, and if you want to take advantage of that, then invest in us.
We're really wanting to help our native taonga and our communities to thrive. That's the ultimate goal.